Hello guys. In our previous video, I showed you how we can pass any class object as a reference to a function. In this video, I'll show you another things which is very important. What I have done here, I have taken the same example, this person class, and here I have defined a function outside of the class. As of now, I haven't written something in the function. Now let me just write one statement and let me ask you one question. So let's say, if I just write like that, let's say whatever person object actually I'm getting, that means my class object. So I'll just do a small modification here. I'll just take the person.name is equal to, let's say I'll just write Alex here. Okay, so this is the small modification. Now I'll just simply return the person right now. Okay, after changing this name, I'm just returning the person object again. This is what actually I'm doing inside this function. Now if I execute the program, it's working fine. Now first of all, I will initialize my class and it takes to input name and gender. I'm passing the name and gender. And now if I print the ID of P, you will see this is the ID of P. Now I'll call this function right now. So greeting. Let's say I will store in a variable called A. Okay, greeting. And it takes your person object. So I can pass P here, right? Now let me initialize it. Now see, if I just write a.name, now see it is giving me Alex. And if I call p.name also, you'll see it will give me the same name because it was referring in the same memory location. I already told you, if you do changes in one object, it will reflect in all the objects. Okay, that is the idea. Now see, if I print the ID, okay, if I print the ID of A, you'll see that this is the same ID. This is the same ID I was getting from the P. Okay, same ID, 52. Okay, that means you can consider this object we have defined, this class we have defined, it's a mutable. Okay, it's a mutable data type. That means we have learned list, sets, and dictionary. So there actually I was doing the changes. What is mutable? Mutable means you can change. Okay, you can change something there. You can add something, you can edit something, everything is possible. And it will perform all the operation in the original object itself. Okay, it won't be creating any copy of the object. If it is creating a copy of the object, that means it's not a mutable, it's a immutable. I think string you saw, right? Whenever I was performing any kinds of operation, it was creating a different object that time. Fine. So this question actually interviewer asked actually whatever class actually you are defining, whether it's a mutable or immutable. Okay, I think you saw it's a mutable or immutable. It's a mutable one because here I was doing the changes, still I was getting the same memory location. That means same ID. Okay, that is the idea. So yes, this was a quick topic. Thank you so much.